Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Let's start our today's class. In today's class, we are going to learn topic from unit number 3, who did Patrick's homework. Let's start. Today we are going to learn about a sentence formation, how a sentence is formed. Subject, verb and object. These three are the main parts in a sentence. With these three, a sentence is formed. Let's understand what a subject, verb and object is. First, see the subject. A subject is a person or thing carrying out an action. It means a subject is a person or it can be a thing which carry an action in a sentence. It can be a noun or a pronoun. इट मीन्स कि एक सेंटेंस में जो पर्सन काम कर रहा होता है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट होता है. इट कैन बी अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन इज. नाउन, नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन. इट कैन बी अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन. नाउन जो है वो किसी भी इंसान का नाम है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अली, सना एक्सेट्रा. Then name of a place. A noun is a name of a place. यानी कि किसी भी जगह का नाम, like पाकिस्तान, Australia, etc. It can be a name of things, like different things. As you can see in the picture, there is a pencil. Pencil, pen, marker, fan, different things. Noun is a name of things. Or an idea. It means noun is a name of person, place, things or an idea. Let's see what pronoun is. Pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. We will understand pronoun with the help of pictures. Let's start. At first, I. I means मैं. मैं, I is the pronoun. Then we. We means हम. As you can see in the picture. Then you. यानी के तुम. And then he, वो. When we are talking about third person, we use he, and he is used for a boy. And she is used for girl and also third person. It is used for things like pencil, hammer. So these are the pronouns which we use in place of nouns in a sentence. Okay, and now we will look into verb. Verb. What is a verb? Verb is an action word. It means an action done in a sentence is a verb. कोई भी काम जो हम एक सेंटेंस में करते हैं वो हमारा क्या होता है? verb. Okay, let's look into examples like run, दौड़ना. Action. Run is an action, physical action. It is a verb. Then write. Write is also an action verb. It means लिखना. Read, पढ़ना. यानी कि जब भी हम कुछ पढ़ते हैं, read is a verb. Eat, खाना. Eat is a verb. So these are the action verbs which are used in a sentence. Now let's look into object. What is an object and what does it do in a sentence? Objects are always people or things involved in the action but not carrying it out. It means कि जब भी एक सब्जेक्ट काम परफॉर्म करता है, जिसके ऊपर काम परफॉर्म करता है, वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. यानी कि जब भी हमारा सब्जेक्ट जो भी काम कर रहा है एक सेंटेंस, सिंगल सेंटेंस में जिसके ऊपर काम कर रहा है, वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. एंड ऑब्जेक्ट कैन ऑल्सो बी नाउन और अ pronoun. Let's understand it from the example. Bilal is reading. In this sentence, Bilal is a noun and it is a subject. A subject is performing an action. Reading is a verb. Bilal is reading. In this sentence, there is no object. The next one, Bilal is reading a book. Now, in this sentence, we have subject, verb and object. Bilal is a subject. Reading is a verb. Bilal is performing an action. कौन सा एक्शन बिलाल परफॉर्म कर रहा है? रीडिंग, पढ़ने का. किसके ऊपर, बुक के ऊपर, यानी वो बुक से पढ़ रहा है। तो जब भी सब्जेक्ट हमारा एक्शन परफॉर्म करता है ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर, वो हमारा क्या होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट। जिसके ऊपर हमारा सब्जेक्ट एक्शन परफॉर्म करता है वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है। ओके, बिलाल इज रीडिंग अ बुक। इन दिस सेंटेंस बिलाल इज अ सब्जेक्ट, रीडिंग इज द वर्ब and book is an object. Now let's see some other examples. Asad is riding. In the sentence we only have subject and verb. Asad subject and riding is a verb. In this sentence we do not have an object because a subject is performing an action but we don't know on what it is performing an action. The next sentence is Asad is riding a horse. In this sentence we have a subject, verb and object because a subject is performing an action on object. Asad is riding a horse. Asad जो है घुड़सवारी कर रहा है किसके ऊपर, घोड़े के ऊपर. Let's do some question from our book. Pick out the subject, verb and object in the sentences. Write SV and O under them. Now we will pick subject, verb and object in a sentence. Let's start. My shoes are hurting my feet. My shoes is the subject, hurting it is a verb and feet is the object. The next sentence, Ali broke his toys. Ali is the subject, broke is the verb and toys are the object. Hira was playing with a doll. Hira is the subject, playing is an action word, it is a verb and doll is the object. Ikra was chasing a cat. Ikra is the subject, chasing is the verb and cat is the object. My mother laughed at a joke. My mother is the subject, laughed is the verb and joke is the object. Haris is driving a car. Haris is the subject, driving is the verb and car is the object. Maha sang at a party. Maha is the subject, sang is the verb and party is the object. I like to write stories. I is the subject, write is the verb and stories is an object. Now let's do the next question from our workbook. Rewrite the following sentences in the correct order following the subject, verb, object, pattern. Now we will follow the pattern SVO and then rearrange these sentences. Let's start. A cooking is Sara feast. We will rearrange these. First we will put subject and then verb and then object. Sara is the subject, cooking is the verb and feast is the object. Sara is cooking a feast. The next one, was Adil and book reading interesting? First we will put subject. Adil is the subject, was reading, reading is the verb. An interesting book is the object. Adil was reading an interesting book. With an a Amna are doll, Sana playing. Amna and Sana are the subjects. Are playing is the verb. With a doll is the object. Amna and Sana are playing with a doll. Homework have I completed? I is the verb. It is a pronoun. I have completed. Completed is the verb. I have completed my homework. Homework is the object. On bed is my sleeping the grandmother. The grandmother is the verb, is sleeping as verb. On my bed is an object. Are on birds tree the sitting. The birds are the subject. Are sitting is the verb. On the tree is the object. And Haris eating ice cream is. Haris is eating an ice cream. Haris is the subject. Eating is an action word. It is a verb. And ice cream is an object. And at the last, our house are we painting. We are painting our house. We is the subject, painting is the verb and house is the object. So this is our today's lesson. Learn it. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to wash your hands. Allah Hafiz.
La la la.